How you doing? Welcome to the channel. This is just a quick little go around update after, I don't know, 2009 I think I got this. This is a Bosch sheet sander. I mean a Skil sheet sander under the Bosch umbrella before Chevron took them over. So I think I got this at Lowe's. I don't remember. But it still works. Man, it's got 2.2 amps. It's 2 amps, 1300 rotations, oscillations, or whatever you want to call it. And Sanders, I don't know how to describe that, but yeah. I lost the adapter to punch holes in it for the vent over here. It just works. It's just as good as the Chevron version, except for this is on the Bosch. So that concludes today's video. Please make sure to hit like, subscribe, share, comment. Going over to my friends Tools with Soul, Tools and Tactics, Torque Test channel. And all that. Ed the Tool Guy. Later.